Welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'm so excited. I'm already dancing. Okay. But first things first. Okay. If you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you so very much. Oh my God. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't. Okay. All my old-time subscribers, you know what it is. You guys know I love y'all so very much. So if you follow me on Instagram, you should be. But my Insta story, I stated that I think I found some of the best leave-in conditioners ever. Okay. This is by Camille Rose Naturals, the coconut water leave-in, y'all. Truth. Okay. This is the Camille Rose Latte Defined Leave-in Collection. Truth. Okay. This is the honey that's supposed to hydrate from the leave-in collection by Camille Rose Naturals, y'all. Again, truth. Okay, and then we have the Camille Rose Lavender White Clay Edge Custard. Not control, but it's a custard. Nice, sticky and tacky. You know, when I said sticky and tacky, you're gonna get a little bit more hold than you normally would if it was very smooth. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. I was just very sad that I had to let go of this amazing hair day I was having. Okay, it's that Wetline Extreme Gel, y'all. Be giving me those results. I've been trying to tell y'all.
Come on, tell them.
But although it looks good, defined, and just full, it was feeling dry. So I said this is the perfect time to go ahead and film this video and test out these leave-in conditioners and just redo my wash and go. So that's what I did. I was a little hurt, but I did it. Okay. Okay, so I just shampooed my hair, obviously, showing you guys my hair with no product on it. So what I decided to do for this video was to test out each leave-in conditioner on each section of my hair so that I don't have to, you know, redo a whole wash and go just using one leave-in. So each section that I'm going to be subsectioning, I'm going to try and test out the 3 different leave-in conditioners. So we're going to start with these 2. I thought the package was very cute. I love the smell of it. It smells kind of like a butterscotch honey. So this honey, y'all, it's just like the honey consistency without the stickiness. But what caught me off guard was the fact that this stuff warms up. It heats up in your hands as you rub it together and apply it to your hair. I don't know what is going on, but it feels absolutely amazing. Y'all, I was so blown away by this. First of all, it has all natural ingredients. We're talking honey, olive oil, castor oil, aloe leaf juice, bilberry fruit, sugar cane, and so forth. Y'all, the slip was amazing. It feels amazing. Gave me shine. My hair felt hydrated. Like, I mean, I can go on and on and on. It just felt so good. But right now I'm just applying the gel, which is the Wetline Extreme. It goes with anything, and I chose this gel for a particular reason. But first, y'all, let me just say, this stuff, y'all, oh my God, amazing. So then we're moving on to the latte, okay? It's supposed to be infused with water and black cumin seed oil and sunflower seed oil. It felt good to the hair, but it was one of my least favorites. For my hair, I got more definition from the hydrating one, which was the honey one. And this is supposed to define, but I didn't really receive that much definition. It was just okay for me. It wasn't one of my favorites out of the collection. It actually worked better on my daughter's hair, which always tends to happen. Although it was hydrating, y'all, it was not like the honey. I'm sorry. It was good, but it just wasn't like the honey. Okay. Last time my hair was looking after just applying the conditioner, and I knew I was not going to be able to just leave without a styler. So of course we're going ahead and applying the Wetline Extreme Gel. I chose this gel for a reason, because this gel can be kind of harsh without a good leave-in underneath. So I just wanted to see how these leave-ins were going to work with such a harsh styler. And I'm saying harsh because, you know, it's not like the Eco. You do receive a lot of hold. It's not a natural product, but it is one of my favorite gels. Yeah, so that's the reason why I chose to use Wetline Extreme instead of Eco. So again, this is another side of my hair. This is the more drier side. So I chose to use the coconut water leave-in detangling hair treatment, you guys. So this is infused with hydrating coconut water and other natural oils, eliminates tangles and smooths frizz, and it's recommended for all hair types. The smell is godly, y'all. It's holy and acceptable. Like the smell, I cannot. It's just super, super fresh. Y'all, I hate to leave in my expressions, but I just choose to, even though I look a hot mess, to show you guys this is genuine. Like, I was blown away. my hair felt instantly amazing. Okay, silky smooth locks of your dreams, it says. Okay, Camille Rose, I see you here. This lightweight conditioner, y'all, is supposed to add glossy, bright shine and make brushing easier for softening tangles and knots. The slip is so amazing. Oh my god, like, y'all, I could not get over how good it's a felt. So again, I'm using the same conditioner on this whole full size since we only have 3, and I'm putting my Wetline Extreme Gel on top of it. For this one, is sulfate free, y'all. It's sodium lauryl sulfate free. It contains shea butter. Okay, like, I mean, it felt so good to the hair. Like, I don't know what else to say. These conditioners top every leave-in conditioner that I've tried, including the Paul Mitchell. I'm sorry, Paul, I love you, but y'all, I could not get over how good my hair felt. It just felt so good, so healthy, incredible. I'm obsessed with it. I don't know what else to tell y'all, but it's amazing. My hair felt awesome. Now, y'all know how I feel about these edge controls. I just stick to my gels to get my edges laid right. But I must say, the fact that this had more of a tackier and stickier type of consistency, it gave me more of a hold. That's just for me. That's just how it works. I have a video all on edge control 101, but this is all I use. Usually I would use a gel, but look how my edges are laying and they're so slick and shiny. I had to give it to, like, the Camille Rose. You just doing it. Like, I don't know, like, this stuff was just awesome. I will say, after a few hours, my hair was not laid like this, but I don't expect, you know, a gel-like hold. You know what I mean? This is a edge custard, so I was okay with that. At least my hair was shiny and laid. It's still laid. Normally, any other edge control, my hair would have reverted by now. But I decided to go ahead and diffuse. You guys know I go back and forth with diffusing and just taking the diffuser attachment off. Again, I always stretch my hair for the most part. And then too, I'd stretch it just to kind of put it to the test. Am I going to get frizz? You know, what's going to happen? And to answer that question, okay, my hair did receive a little bit of frizz, more frizz on one side, but I believe it's because I put so much leave-in conditioner that my gel was like, okay, you know what, I can't even work, I can't even do my job. And I didn't really section my hair when applying my gel like I normally would. I just kind of slapped it on and just let it do its thing. But y'all, that's okay. I was excited because I had so much shine and I had so much hydration. That was key for me. My hair felt so good. It was not crunchy. It was so soft. And you guys know, if you use Wetline Extreme Gel, that mess will get your hair hard. And my hair was so soft. I just could not believe it. It felt good. It looked good. But this be first day hair. I didn't pick it out or anything like that. Come on. I don't get this with just the Wetline by itself. So y'all, I can't express how I feel. It's bomb. It's just bomb. It's amazing. Okay guys, so this is the next day. I'm loving my results. It looks just like it did before I washed my hair. And the good thing is it feels a whole lot better, which is an even more plus. And when I say this, to gather myself, these conditioners are some of the best conditioners I have ever tried. Ever.
What was it?
So moisturizing. I can't get over how amazing they feel. I do have my favorites. Okay. I experienced a lot of dryness underneath here because it's rubbing on my clothes. When I'm wearing it up in a bun, it's being brushed up. So on this side, I used the honey condition to provide maximum hydration. Y'all, this stuff, when I put it in my hand, it was like it heated up. I felt it heat up each time. So I would try it again because I'm like, maybe it's just me. No, this stuff heats up every time you put it in your hands.
Get on now. You know what I can.
It was perfection. Like, perfection. My hair on this side feels great. Like, it still feels moisturized. Only thing is when you use a lot, whatever styler you're using on top of it, it may be hard for the styler to do its job, because I noticed a little bit more frizz on this side, but that's only because I put a whole lot of that leave-in, which I didn't have to do. I believe I think I put this on this side of my hair, right? The latte, it's supposed to define, but it's also a leave-in. My hair is looser on the top, so I chose like, oh, I'm gonna put this to the test. This is define, and you know, give you moisture, hydration. I did it. It was just okay. It felt much better on my daughter's hair. My daughter's hair, it just, I don't know, it just really gravitated towards this. Coming after this, no. Like, it's good, but it ain't this. You know what I mean? Now this, I know when I talk about Jesus and disciples and Mary and Joseph, Kirk Franklin, Yolanda, this, I can't even get my words out, because I haven't experienced such an amazing type of leave-in that just leaves your hair so amazing. I purposely chose to use wet line gel because it makes your hair very, very hard, at least for me. Whereas Eco, you know, it's a little crunch, but it's not as much hold as the wet line. I don't know, because it's concentrated or whatever, but this stuff is my #1 favorite. It can be used also for a co-wash or a rinse out conditioner, but listen, I chose to use it on this side. This side is my better side. Like, as you can see, like, I'm always like this in my videos.
Is that, excuse me, what was it?
This side, you know, it be giving me a little problems, whatever. I was focusing mainly on how is it going to look after I apply my styler, and am I gonna get moisture? My hair feels godly, okay? It feels holy and saved and sanctified and filled with the Holy Ghost. That's what it feels like. These products, all of them are amazing. They are all amazing. My hair feels so good, okay? When I do my videos, I am not trying to sell you a product.
Come on, tell them. Tell them.
I am literally telling you what has worked for me.
Okay.
That is not my MO. Y'all do what you want with your money. If you just so happen to go get something or not get something because of me, cool. When I tell y'all, if you got some money,
You know, never mind, you know.
these are just, they're just amazing. Y'all, I didn't have to really barely do much. I had this fullness. It's only second day hair, but it looks like fifth, fourth. I'll take it. It's all good. So anyway, that is all, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I was helpful in some way. I hope if I wasn't, you at least laughed. Thank you guys for your time. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you along as the fam bam, you know what I'm saying? You know, I don't really say this to my subscribers, my supporters, and all that good stuff. Go ahead and click on that notification bell. I've been hearing some things about how videos aren't popping up in people's feeds. I don't want that. I put too much work into my videos, okay? I love y'all. I want y'all to see them. I mean, you know, if you want to do it and make your girl happy, to stay notified with me and keep up with me and all the videos that are to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am just blown away by Camille Rose Naturals and this leave-in collection. They just came with it. They just came with it. Thank you guys so much for your time and for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.